The factory produced some of the best leather goods you can put your hands on. The texture, style, and touch of the bags were mind blowing. It was easy to listen to the steps that led to the making of a perfect bag, but the efficiency required in each step was something that you cannot imagine. Every process had minute detailing that was dealt with very carefully. Everything needed complete attention. Watching the people do their work from getting the raw materials to turning them into a perfect piece of accessory, the hard work could be seen everywhere.
Memories die out too hard. When we were traveling the mountains just to find.
After the entire procedure, the bags comes for the final quality check and labeling.
We could aim higher, but we didn't know.
Here the bag gets ready to dispatch.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it.
These bags are completely made of PU leather.
So we laying under palm trees, waiting.